If I gave you $100 right now, could you turn it into $1,000? Most people can't. But it's not because it's hard. It's because nobody ever showed them a simple plan. So in this video, I'm giving you one. And step number 3, that's where most people fail and lose everything. This isn't get rich quick. This is get smart and grow. Because turning $100 into $1,000 is really about building habits that scale. Before you grow money, you have to stop losing it. Most people spend on things that don't grow, chase trends, or gamble instead of invest. Rule number 1, protect your $100. You don't need a lot of money, you need smart moves. Start here, learn basic investing. Put money into assets that grow. Think long-term, not overnight. Even small wins build momentum. This is where most people mess up. They get a little win, and they cash out too early. Instead, reinvest your profits. That's how $100 becomes to $100. Then for $100. Then $1,000. Let's break it down. $100 gives $150. $150 gives $300. $300 gives $600. $600 gives $1,000 plus that's not luck. That's consistency. Poor mindset. I need more money. Wealth mindset. I need better decisions. The difference? One keeps you stuck. The other builds freedom. Think about it. Most people spend $100 without thinking twice. But investing it? That feels risky. That mindset is exactly what keeps people broke. Here's your simple plan. Start with $100. Invest in something you understand. Reinvest every gain. Stay consistent. Avoid emotional decisions. That's it. The truth is, $100 to $1,000 isn't the goal. It's proof that you can change your financial future. If you want to learn how to turn small money into real wealth, subscribe to Stock Monster, because your first $1,000 is just the beginning.